Okay, here we have a fully automated Tardis custom engagement ring box. This is the Tardis 3.0. This is my most accurate to screen Tardis ring box that I make. It is mostly 3D printed with some wood elements as well as all the electronics on the inside. So it looks just like a regular Tardis, which is nice. It has a little bit beefier stand, but that is because we needed to add some place to hide all of the guts. You can see that there's a couple switches here on the back. There's actually two switches, one that automates or controls the sound, one that controls the lights and the movement. And then the rest of it just looks like a regular old Tardis. So here we go. We'll actually turn it on and we'll just kind of watch it go. You can see that the lights kind of come on, as well as the sound. That is the Tardis taking off sound. And there is the reveal. It actually lifts the lid up, revealing the lit ring on the inside. I'm going to move the camera so you can see. There we go. Sorry for the shaky cam. Too much caffeine. And then the nice thing is it actually, after a minute, will close itself. So while we're waiting for that to happen, I'll actually show you the interior of it. So inside it's actually run by Arduino boards. You can see here in the bottom we have a 9-volt battery that powers the stepper motor as well as an Arduino micro, and then this is a motor shield basically that allows me to control all of the motors within it. And then the lights and the lift itself is actually located inside the Tardis. The lift mechanism itself is a screw lift that I designed and printed via 3D as well, so that we could so that it lifts in a certain amount of time. That was a wee bit of a challenge. So here we go. In just a couple seconds here, it should start lowering itself. And the nice thing about it is that it closes itself up. The light on the top of the Tardis actually stays on, so that you know that the Tardis itself is still powered. This thing eats 9-volt batteries. There it goes. It eats 9-volt batteries like candy. So you got to make sure you know to turn the thing off after it's done. So the light's on just to remind you to make sure you turn everything off. And the nice thing about it is it actually seats itself closed very nicely, just like a normal Tardis, as if nothing ever happened. So it's kind of a nice little surprise piece. This is the fully automated ring reveal Tardis custom engagement ring box by Pape Designs.